Meet our new Empire fridge freezer, all the style of our best-selling Empire series, now in a slimmer 60cm design. Inside, you'll find 234 litres of fridge space, LED lighting, adjustable balconies, and a clean, ergonomic layout for easy organisation. The 96-litre freezer has 3 drawers, a self-discharging ice maker, and SuperFrost for rapid freezing. Choose from Anthracite Black, Classical Ivory, or Bordeaux Red, each with antique-style bronze handles and the iconic Kaiser crest for timeless elegance. Kaiser, power in action.